duit YouTube, constatatu. Tá an lá go iontach. Cúpla scamas a spare. Agus tá an green ag tanmh. The sun's in the sky and a couple of clouds. It's a lovely day. I'm gonna probably be squinting a bit. I might put my shades on, but it's kind of rude. This way. I don't really know where I'm going. I'm in a local park that I don't usually go to. I'm just up having a look around. We're gonna have a community event here, so I was just having a look and seeing what sort of space we have and where we can put things and things like that, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I'm busy. I'm unemployed, but I'm still busy, which is kind of annoying. But at the same time, you know, I'd much rather be doing something. And it is a nice park. It's a nice place to be on a nice day. So, a few updates. I finished work in Donecarney on Friday. It's actually 2 Fridays ago. I'm sorting out signing back on to the social welfare. I had a meeting with them yesterday and they said, okay, that's grand, just come back to us with photo ID and your bank statement for proof of address, and that's on Friday, so that'll be good. Once that's sorted, then I can get the forms filled out for Cavan, and then I can get them sent off, and hopefully I won't have to wait much longer, and hopefully Cavan won't have to wait much longer, because they've been very patient with me. Okay, the sun's in my eyes now, I have to put my glasses on. Ow. These are new glasses. I don't know where I put my other ones. I think I might have, left them somewhere in a taxi or something, maybe. Whoops. Yeah, nah. I'm very annoyed. They could well be under my bloody bed though, or in the jacket. So I haven't given up hope. A little prayer to Saint Anthony and hopefully something will turn up. It's nice. Lovely view over there. You can't really make out the mountains or anything. Nah. And that's the rest of the park as well. So yeah, not so bad altogether. Nice day to be out. Much rather be out doing something. I go home now and put finishing touches to site plans and things like that. We're supposed to have a meeting with the Residents Association tomorrow, I think. Yeah, should be going well. Everything's on course. It's just a case of pulling different strands together. But everything is on course and looking good, thankfully. I'm going to give something a degree. I thought I'd give this a try finally. Mounted my camera to my handlebars, so with any luck you can see me, and it's not shaking about too much. Make some final adjustments. Look out! See, now I'm distracted. This is why they say don't use your phone or anything when you're driving. This is working well, actually. Yeah. Sorry about the shakiness. Can you even see me? I wonder. I'll know when I get this footage home. That might be better. Yeah, so there we go. So that's my day. I'm gonna head home, have a salad or something. There's roast beef in the fridge. Oh, must get bread. Forgot I need to get bread. Go to the shops. Avoid the temptation to get someone to make food for me. I'm gonna make something when I get home. Yeah. So, gur míle maith go arís. Might vlog later. If not, gur míle maith go arís. Agus slán go fóill.